Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 6th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, we had a positive day today, but, actually, I consider it really good. There was a positive day. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It opened in the toilet again this morning. But just like it did last Friday, it began to immediately recover. And the recovery was actually stronger than on Friday. And it ended up big push at the end there. And it Dow went positive 69. This is indicative, as I've said before, of a bull market. All these last two big gap downs were just opportunities for uh, people to come in and buy at lower prices, and this overall market is clearly going higher. This is the response of a bull market, so that is good. Our trading today was a little bit disappointing in the sense that when stocks opened way down here this morning, we were actually up 12, $13,000 in our open trade, but it just started falling like a brick as the Dow started rising, which is a little, I shouldn't say it's surprising, but it's not what you really would have expected. But by the time we got out, we had $4,500 positive in closed out trades. Didn't get into much today. We got into three new positions. Two were positive, only one was negative, and we're carrying positive a whopping $285 going into tomorrow. But nevertheless, to me, this really indicates we have a good portfolio here, because if we're making positive numbers as we did on Friday and again today, when the Dow is just being slammed all over the place, that indicates, when this thing gets going again, and it could get going again tomorrow, we're going to make some pretty good money. I'll just show you three of the trades today. I'm not going to just show you all good stuff. Let me show you, I'll show you the spoiler for today. This was in Blink, BLINK. That's Blink Charging Company. And you can see here on Friday, we bought that thing on this big push up about 90 minutes into the day, and we ended up getting in there, and then it just basically faded all day long, and then down a little more this morning, and we took a $3,000 loss in a blink in blank. So that was our single worst trade, but we had some good ones on top of it all. This is TVIX, which is Velocity Shares, and we had bought this right out of the gate on Friday, and it did close marginally positive on Friday. Gap way up this morning. I think we had probably close to $4,000 there this morning, but immediately started selling off. So we got out of TVIX with $2,600 in profits. And then finally, this was another one that faded on us. This is CRC, which is California Resources, and we had bought this on Friday, again, just as soon as we could, and it closed marginally profitable on Friday and jumped up uh, significantly higher right on the open. But again, just like everything else, it started fading right away. And by the time we got out of it there, first 45 minutes, we had uh, $3,700 in profit. So it was a good trade, but I think it was, again, pretty close to $5,000 up there right after the open. But hey, you win some, you lose some, and we did make some good money in California Resources. So I do not consider this a bad day. Hey, I just want to tell everybody um, I've had a death in the family, and my son and I are driving down to the San Diego area on early Friday morning, and I'm not going to be back here until Monday. So there's not going to be any report on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this week. I will on the weekend reconstruct our trades, hypothetical trades, vis-a-vis our trading system, and I think I should, assuming I don't have, computer crashing while I'm gone and everything, I should be able to put that together and get that on the website. But I'm not going to be updating that each day. I'll have to do all that on the weekend, so it'll probably be up by Monday. So tomorrow will be my last video for this week, and then I'll be back as usual on Monday. Okay, uh, that's the way it went. Not a bad day. Trader Bob sign off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.